Okay, from number system we will solve some problems. Our first problem is that simplify. Now we have to simplify this. Here in between these numbers we have plus, means we have to add 8, 8, 8, 8. Here which is ones place, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now here given that 888, right, like this, then 88, then 8. Now we should add these numbers. Here we have 8 4 times. 4 8s are 32. 3 8s are 24, 27. 2 8s are 16, 18. 8 plus 1 9. Here used 8th table without knowing 8th table, which is bit of hard. Now we will solve this problem. Here also which is the simplification, but in between these numbers we have subtraction symbol. Therefore we should write like this: 715632. I can write a minus common from this. After writing minus common, we will get 631104 minus becomes plus 9874, which becomes plus 999. Here once asked in LIC ADO 2000 exam, 2007 exams. Therefore, I am writing in a classical way: 71562. In single step, I can solve this problem. 631104. 631104. But I want to subtract. Then 9874. 9874. Then 999. In single step we will solve. Here we have to subtract these numbers. We have to subtract these three numbers from this. We have to subtract sum of these three numbers from this number. We have to subtract sum of these three numbers from first number. For that I am doing, listen carefully. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 17. 9 plus 8 17. But I want to get 2. To get 2 I am adding 5. Why 17 plus 5? 22. Therefore I am getting this 2. Here to get this 2 I am adding 5. Therefore I can write that 5 here. Therefore that is the answer. Here 2 is there. 2 is there. Write this 2 here. 2 plus 9 11 18. 18 is there. We want to get 3. Means 18 plus 5 only we will get 3. Therefore to get this 3 I am adding 5. Therefore we will get here 5. Here we have 2. Write that 2 here. 2 plus 9 11 19 20. To get 6 we should add here, up to here we got 20. 2 11 19 20. But I want to get 6. Therefore I am adding 6. Therefore here write this 6 here. Here write this 2 here. 2 plus 9 11 12. To get 15 I want to add 3. Here see, 2 plus 9 11 12. 12 plus 3 15. 1 is there. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 0 only, you will get this answer. Once again I will explain, which is very important. Here we will use this single step method in future so many times. Therefore, see, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 17 plus 5, 22. 22. See, 2 plus 9, 11, 18. 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5, 23. 2 plus 9, 11, 19, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 2 plus 9, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 3, 15. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Therefore, which is the answer? Which is the answer? Here done, here solved, here simplified in single step. That's it. Next, we will see this. Here, what value will replace question mark? Here, I want to find out the value of this place. To find out that, suppose this has some k. 9587 minus k is equals to 7429 minus 4358. Here which is required? Here write this left hand side value on right hand side. Therefore which becomes k. As it is writing 9587. Here positive term becomes negative term 7429. Here minus term becomes plus term. 4358. Here to get k, we have to subtract this number from sum of these numbers. What is that? 9587 plus 4358 minus 7429, which is the value of k. Here first add these values. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 9, 13. Minus 7429. Here 9 plus 6, 15. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Completed. 7 plus 6, 13. Therefore, which is the answer? Similarly, now what could be the maximum value of q? Maximum value of q in this sum. Here, right, in classical way, 5p9 3r7 2q8 is equals to 1114. See, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24. Therefore, here 2 is there. Here see, 2 plus p plus r plus q is equals to, we should get 11. 2 plus p plus q plus r. 2 plus p plus q plus r should be 11. Here see, why I am selecting 2 digits means 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means here you should get 1. Therefore, that is 11. 11 selected. Here send this 2 to right side. P plus q plus r is equals to 11 minus 2. Means p plus q plus r should be 9. Here we have to find out which is required. What is the maximum value of q? That is asking. Q may be Here sum of three numbers should be equals to what? 9. Here to become sum of three numbers is equal to 9 means you make it like this: 9 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 9. Here 8 plus 1 plus 0, this is also 9. 7 plus 1 plus 1 also 9. But like this we may write so many pairs of numbers. But in all these numbers, here only we are getting maximum value of q. Therefore here what could be the maximum value of q means, here we may get q value is 9. Therefore q value is equals to 9. If we substitute q is equal to 9, r is equals to 0 0 5 0 9 3 0 7 2 9 8, we will get this number. See, suppose 9 plus 7 16 24, 2 plus 9 11. Here that's why I selected here 11. 1 plus 2 3, 6 6 plus 5 11. We are getting 1114. Therefore here we are getting maximum value 9 only, not 10. Therefore which is not 7, not 8. Therefore q maybe gets q as 9 only.